guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's a little dark in the car, but it's not nighttime. No, it is snowing. We had plans to go to a bunch of stores today to do plant accessory shopping. Woot woot. And she's on the iPad back there, probably looking for some sales. And we're a little snowed in, so we're gonna wipe these windows off. All right, let's see what store we hit up first. It might possibly be Target. Oh, thank you. You're so nice. This weather's insane. Okay. That's a whole lot of carts. I saw in a YouTube video recently that you should propagate your cuttings in a dark vessel container because roots grow underground. Duh, right? These little propagating vases are cute. Oh, look, Joanna Gaines is up on her fiddly fig. That's cute. I don't knock fake plants if they look real, you know? So I've been wanting to get this for my kitchen counter, but it's expensive, guys. Joanna Gaines, why you do this? Yeah, so this is for utensils, but you guys already know what I'm thinking. Hearth and Hand is not sponsoring this YouTube video. Feel free to.
Oh my gosh, you could put string of pearls in this. String of pearls, or what was the other one? It's like a
that is so cute, Mia. Let me see it. Take it off. That's adorable. Where do you guys get like plant shirts from? Not Target. So we just left Target and I bought a couple of things, which I'll show you when we get home. But now we're going to get something to eat because we're hungry.
Yep. Hola.
It's really cold. It's like -5 in Chicago today. It just doesn't make any sense. Why do we live here? I don't know. Who are some other of your favorite YouTubers?
I like Harley G and what is it? Della Plants.
Oh, Della Plants, yep.
Yeah.
Who else?
Oh, garden answer.
Garden answer. We're stopping in Michael's because I need some terracotta pots, and there's one right by us.
And I need fabric dye.
And she needs fabric dye.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. They're 50% off. Like just ripping the plant out and then using them in another one and then using the pots.
You can buy the pots though.
I know. But then it comes with the succulent.
You're a savage. I don't know what size I need. I think I need a couple of the $2.59 ones. 6 pots. Because, you know, I'm going to use them. That's creepy. Scary. Hey guys! Alright, so just got home and I just wanted to show you what we got. So I couldn't believe I found this at Target. Concrete, I think it's concrete. Yeah, it's concrete. Planter, and it's got like the scalloped edge. I'm so excited about this. So I got that. This was $14.99, but I want to say it was like 20% off. So not bad. Although that is more than I would spend on a planter. Then I got this, which I think you guys saw in the video. It was only $3. It says white winter days that melt into spring. And I'm going to use it as a pot saucer for one of my planters that does not have a saucer. And then we ran into Michael's because I needed some terracotta pots. Starts with a big one. And then I got 2 medium-sized ones and then 2 of these, which I like because it has the bigger top part and all of them have drain holes. And then I just got saucers to go with them. And I think that came to like 28 bucks or something like that. And I had a coupon for 40% off. That's it. Thanks guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can see more videos that I post in the future. And leave me comments if you have any questions on any of the products that we got, but I'll try to link them below. Thanks guys. Bye.